All right, in this video, we're going to look at analyzing some fraud risk data with MESA. And so first things first, we've got a workflow that'll slurp some data in. And so you can do an order created trigger, get a list of the order risks from Shopify, and then go ahead and store those. I'm storing the order number, customer, some emails, some things, tags. Financial status, I'll give you the refund status, and then order risks, I'm just grabbing the first one there. I don't know why there's a list of those, but I'm just grabbing the first there in this particular case. And then once you've done, you can run a time travel on that to, you have to enable the workflow to turn the time. You can run a time travel to run that retroactively. Those don't count against your billing quota, which is sick. And then, so this is our tool. This is using a tool called MetaBase, and you can do a bunch of cool stuff with it. So this is a pie chart visualization that is looking at filtering risk recommendation not empty, summarize count by grouping by that field. All right, so that's one way to do it. Here's another visualization. This is just like order count by week as an example. And that's actually cumulative count, but there's a bunch of cool options you could do. I think I have revenue in here. You could do, no, I don't have revenue. Whoops-a-daisy. But you could do count of rows, right, type of deal. Also, it always does this on partial weeks, so you can pop in and go filter, order date, previous 6 months, don't include the current month type of thing. So then that'll look like, what in the world? What is that? Oh, I forgot to summarize. Count of rows by order date. Wait, I already had that in there. What in the? And then it's doing dates. You can just go week. Gosh darn it. Oh, let me do order date. Oh yeah, let's do weeks. That's what's going crazy there. So I'll just do that. And then there we go, pulled out that last week. So anyway, so there's a lot of stuff you can do here, pretty cool, pretty flexible. So if you're looking at analyzing risk data, this is a cool way to do it. You can just pull that in and go nuts. I'll drop the templates links to this. I'll link these up so you can pull those into your account if you'd like to. Hope that helps. Let us know if you need any help setting that up.